Suboxone Providers. If you or someone you know is struggling with opioid addiction, it's important to find a Suboxone provider as soon as possible. Opioid has a destructive effect on the brain and body, and withdrawal can be extremely painful. But even though it's difficult, quitting opioids is possible with the help of Suboxone. This medication can be an incredibly effective part of an MAT treatment program and can help people find healing from addiction. In this video, we'll talk about what opioid addiction is, how Suboxone works, and where to find Suboxone providers. We hope this information will be helpful for those who are seeking treatment for opioid addiction. Let's get started. Opioids are a class of drugs that includes the illegal drug heroin and prescription painkillers, such as oxycodone, hydrocodone, and morphine. These drugs are typically used to treat pain, but they can also produce feelings of euphoria and relaxation. Opioids work by binding to receptors in the brain that are responsible for controlling pain and emotions. When used correctly, opioids can be an effective way to manage pain. However, they also come with a risk of addiction and overdose. Opioids can be highly addictive, and users can develop a tolerance to the drugs, needing larger and larger doses to achieve the same effects. Abruptly stopping opioid use can cause withdrawal symptoms that range from mild to severe. These symptoms can include anxiety, muscle aches, sweating, nausea, and insomnia. In some cases, withdrawal can lead to more serious problems like seizures or hallucinations. As a result, it is important for anyone wanting to stop taking opioids to do so under the care of a medical professional. Withdrawing from opioids can be difficult, but with the help of a doctor, it is possible to overcome addiction and regain control of your life. In recent years, there has been a dramatic increase in the number of people addicted to opioids in the United States. This rise in addiction has been driven partly by overprescribing opioid painkillers. As a result, opioids have become one of the country's most serious public health problems. Opioid addiction is a chronic disease characterized by compulsive drug seeking and use, despite its harmful consequences. People with opioid addiction may be unable to control their drug use and continue to use opioids, even when it causes problems for themselves or their loved ones. Opioid addiction can cause serious health problems, including overdose, lung disease, and liver disease. It can also lead to financial instability and relationship problems. Treatment for opioid addiction typically includes medication, behavioral therapy, and support groups. Medication can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms, while behavioral therapy can help people make necessary lifestyle changes. Support groups can provide much-needed emotional support during recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling with opioid addiction, knowing there is help available is crucial. Suboxone is a medication used to treat opioid addiction. It is a combination of buprenorphine and naloxone, two drugs that work together to reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Buprenorphine is a partial agonist. It binds to the same receptors in the brain as opioids, but produces a weaker response. Naloxone is an antagonist, meaning it blocks the effects of opioids. Together, these two drugs help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings, while making it difficult to get high if someone tries to use opioids while taking Suboxone. Suboxone is only available by prescription and must be obtained from a Suboxone provider. Suboxone providers are specially trained and certified to prescribe and dispense Suboxone. It is usually prescribed as part of a comprehensive treatment plan that includes counseling and other support services to help patients recover from addiction. Suboxone treatment starts in a hospital or addiction treatment center, but can be continued on an outpatient basis. If you or someone you know is struggling with opioid addiction, talk to your doctor about whether Suboxone treatment is right for you. Medication-assisted treatment, or MAT, combines medication with counseling and behavioral therapies to treat substance use disorders. MAT can treat addiction to opioids, such as heroin or prescription painkillers. It is effective in helping people reduce or stop their drug use and regain control of their lives. The medications used in MAT are safe and work by blocking the effects of opioids, reducing cravings, and preventing withdrawal symptoms. In addition, counseling and behavioral therapies help people make lasting changes in their behaviors and learn healthy coping skills. MAT is a comprehensive approach to treating addiction that can help people achieve long-term recovery. Suboxone is one of the most commonly used medications in MAT, as it is effective at reducing cravings and preventing relapse. However, Suboxone comes with risks, and doctors must carefully monitor their patients to ensure they take the medication as prescribed. Some of the most common side effects of Suboxone include drowsiness, constipation, and headaches. In rare cases, Suboxone can also cause more serious side effects, such as liver damage or respiratory depression. For this reason, Suboxone doctors must fully inform patients of the risks and benefits of Suboxone before starting treatment. Consult with your doctor to see if Suboxone suits you. If you enter an MAT program, you will work with a team of healthcare professionals to create a treatment plan that meets your unique needs. Depending on your situation, your treatment plan may include medication, counseling, and other support services. Suboxone is an effective medication when used as part of an MAT program. It can help reduce cravings and prevent relapse. Counseling and behavioral therapies can help you make lasting changes in your behaviors and learn healthy coping skills. MAT is a comprehensive approach to treating addiction that can help you achieve long-term recovery. The Foods and Drugs Administration have proven the effectiveness of Suboxone as part of an MAT program in multiple studies. In one study, patients under Suboxone treatment were less likely to relapse than those who did not receive treatment. Another study showed that patients who received Suboxone treatment had improved survival rates and were more likely to remain in medication than those who did not receive treatment. These studies demonstrate the effectiveness of Suboxone as part of a MAT program in helping people achieve long-term recovery from addiction. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, talk to your Suboxone doctor about whether a MAT program is right for you. Anyone struggling with an opioid addiction will likely benefit from Suboxone treatment. Since it is a medication that can reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms, it is easier to break free from addiction. However, finding a Suboxone provider can be a challenge, as not all doctors are certified to prescribe the medication. Here are a few ways to find a Suboxone provider in your area. Check with your insurance company to see if they have a list of certified Suboxone providers in your area. They usually have a list of accredited doctors. Ask them if any of these doctors are certified to prescribe Suboxone. Check with your local health department or community mental health center. They can provide you with a list of Suboxone providers in your area. Ask your family or friends if they know of any Suboxone providers in your area. They may have heard of a doctor certified to prescribe Suboxone. Ask your trusted doctor or therapist if they know Suboxone providers in your area. They may have a list of doctors they refer their patients to for this medication. Search for Suboxone doctors near me on the internet. It will bring up a list of certified doctors to prescribe Suboxone in your area. Don't give up if you're struggling to find a Suboxone provider. There are resources available to help you find the treatment you need, like Suboxonedoctor.com. Suboxonedoctor.com is an online directory of Suboxone providers. You can use our directory to search for Suboxone providers and doctors in your local area and read reviews from other patients. We also offer a free online consultation service to help you find the right Suboxone provider for your needs. Finding a Suboxone provider near you is easy with the help of our directory. We have a nationwide network of certified Suboxone doctors who can help you on your journey to recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, we can help. Contact us today at 1-888-225-4440 to learn more about our services and how we can help you find healing.